What's up guys, welcome back to the Mutta vlog. So today I finally have the Mutta Supra here, my new car from Japan. Ooh, look at this. Wow, right hand drive. I just got it up here and today me and a couple friends are going to install a Mutta exhaust. Let's see how this goes. It's been pretty quiet driving this thing up here, but hopefully it'll make it a lot louder. We're trying out this little dinghy, this little tiny old exhaust for this big old, I think it's like 4. Oh my god, this thing's heavy, holy shit. Ooh. Deep in the hole. That thing's fucking huge. Compared to this little baby over there. Hey! Oh, that looks weird. What the heck? Is it like the zoom? Hey. Hey. Oh, what the heck? That looks so weird. My keys. Where are my keys? Wait, don't show. There's some secret wheels back there. You can't see. That was class fine. Look at this. Watch. Look at this comparison. Is it a pretty big difference?
Yeah, man.
Ooh.
That's his air compressor.
What?
The air compressor kicked in too.
I know. It's okay. Alright, we'll load it up. Put this exhaust on. We got till 1. So we got the bolts off. You literally take a 12 mil and you unbolt. There's 2 bolts on each side and then you gotta take the muffler off, but there's little rubber like hangers right here you have to get off. So I'm trying to do that off. Take that off right now. I got the back muffler off. These were a pain in the ass because there's little clips, like little hanger kind of things that hold on to this. And so I had to take those off and somehow get these off of here, which is a pain in the ass too. And then get these to basically come out of here. Let me see if you can see it. Right here. So right here, these things. So they hang on to these 2. And so you have to unbolt it. Somehow get these to drop. There you go. Somehow get these to, you pull them down and somehow get them to drop, and then you'll have to have this completely disconnected in order if you want to get those little hanger, where are they? Those little hanger things off. I'm trying to get this part off right here. This part off, but it took us a while to figure it out because the bolt was being weird. But this on the far side is so tight and my breaker bar won't fit down here. Just try and do it with this, which fucking sucks. So we'll see how it goes. Finally got it off. Finally got this off. So there's 2 long bolts that you have to disconnect from this end. It was a pain in the ass. This car is like fucking old, but here are the bolts. You know, nice and rusted. Ooh. Yeah, so finally got this off. Now we can install our Mutta exhaust. Finally got the piping in. All the way down there, got it in. Got the muffler goes right here, hooks onto the stock exhaust hanger. And we're gonna bolt this baby up. Now we're gonna put the exhaust, the muffler, I can't talk. Now we're gonna put the muffler in and get it mounted and turn it on, put it down, see how it sounds. Hell yeah, brother. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Are you ready? Ready. Let's get this last stretch done. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Dude, that's a... Ready?
Alright. Go easy on it.
Have it I thought it'd be louder, to be honest.
No,
I thought it'd be louder.
It's aggressive still, though. It's good.
I don't know. It sounds pretty good. Sounds like a Mudda 2J. So dirty. The car's so dirty. At least it looks sick.
Yeah, man.
All right, so I finally got the Supra in the garage. Everything worked out. It was a little pain in the bunghole.
S. Big S.
Yeah, it was a pain in the ass, but
Big pain.
I just basically now I'm just gonna go shower and wash up and then go meet with my parents. So maybe I'll take the Supra out for a test drive on the exhaust.
Oh yeah.
So we'll see you then. I'm gonna go wash up.